Hey, this is Mamoona, and I am going to share a very quick update, or can say, gonna discuss a topic that belongs to off-page SEO. So this is what I experience, and that might be the mistake that a lot more new off-page SEO experts, or can say beginners, are doing. So I just want to highlight it so you guys won't repeat that mistake. So first of all, I wanna show you, look at these, how many of the comments I've got, and I marked all of them as spam, and I wanna show you the reason. I've marked all that as spam, and only three of them are left behind. So let me show you why I marked them spam. So look at this. Here I have published one of the article on August 8th, or sorry, August 2nd. Yeah, this one is the my article, and this is the comment. And look at this. They simply drop the link over here, as a backlink, which is totally wrong and against the SEO. And why would I, accept the comment? So of course I will hit the spam, because I won't wanna receive the next time from this ID any more comment, right? So I will immediately mark them as spam. But what I want to show you is, don't ever do the silliest mistake to put the as a link to, or in fact, irrelevant link to the niche or irrelevant to the topic over there. Okay. So and the other comment that I've got is this one, right? And this is again a very serious mistake that the person is doing. Look at this. Oh my god, goodness. He placed full-fledged article over there, which is of course the AI generated one. But look at this, how bad it is. And there is, I don't think so, any internal linking over here there. But yeah, there's no internal linking, in fact. And how can anyone put the full-fledged article inside the comment? Oh, so strange. And this is such a very big name. Don't, in fact, get any training. So this is what I wanna record a video to showcase this. To don't do that serious mistake ever for the off-page SEO. And please do take care if you are into the domain of page SEO or on page either. Don't do that mistake to put irrelevant topic inside inside any of the niche, and irrelevant comments to the niche. And so your comments should be the niche specific. Okay, then there will be benefit to your domain and to your website, and to your topic. It will support, right? Otherwise, just like me, everyone would directly hit spam. And look at this. This is something Russian. That where I'm getting most of the comments are in Russia. I even don't know where it is. And in fact, I have also translated it, and this is totally off to the topic. And off topic comments. So I gonna immediately hit spam to all of these comments. And I also gonna show you some of the other spams, because these are, I marked them as spam, right? So look at this. I don't know, is this Russian or Kazakh or what the language is, but look at this. I what I'm getting is totally spams. So what I will do, I will hit spam over here to mark them as spam, because I really don't want to receive any of the single message from them. And there was about I guess. Yeah, here you can see the 4 or 5 total spam messages that I've got, and I hit spam all of them because all of them are totally irrelevant, and it is just disturbing or wasting my time and their times too, right? but it won't take a lot more time to me to mark them as spam, because of course I have read it down, and by the way, there is no need to read because there are of no uses. So I just mark immediately as spam because of no language barrier, first of all, and then and the second is they are not supporting me and my topic and all. So I will hit immediately as spam, right? So you can see I marked 45 messages as spam, or sorry, the comments as spam. So please make sure once you are going to do something for your website for the off-page SEO, so make sure to do that under your niche, okay, in your niche. So that would be helpful for you, your business, and others business too, and other sites too. So in this way, if you put in fact the link or the internal link in this case, it will also be helpful, and the person will immediately will approve it, okay. So this is what I will also do. If I receive any of the relevant comment, then definitely I will approve it. Otherwise, if there is anything irrelevant, then of course I will hit spam without thinking even a single time, right? So this is what I want to share with you. Thank you so much.